Hey, Chris, I'm really excited to talk to you today because I love this topic. It's about helping your favorite charity while reducing your taxes. The end of the year is creeping up, and I know you're always thinking of ways to help your clients lessen their tax burden. And you mentioned a really good option for people who have large retirement accounts and also want to give a large gift to charities. What is that?
Well, it's called a Qualified Charitable Distribution, or a QCD. As you're headed toward year's end, and if you're doing some tax planning, and I am a fan of planning, not just preparation, looking forward. And if in your planning you see that you may have a tax burden, you may want to consider a charitable contribution to help lower those taxes. Well, if you have a large IRA, you can actually use your funds from your IRA to uh, gain yourself a tax deduction without incurring any additional income in the process.
Yeah, so let's dive into that. Explain how using funds from my IRA for a QCD is even better than a tax deduction.
It really is because it's never earned income. So,
Hmm.
by using a qualified charitable distribution from your IRA, you're writing a check from your IRA directly to the charity. So, you're never actually increasing your earned income. But because those funds belong to you, you actually get to take a tax deduction against your remaining earned income. So it is a wonderful way to support charities. They're important to us, but it's a very powerful tool to help manage taxes as well.
Mhm. Another huge benefit, I just want to make sure that this is clear to everybody watching. This donation can also satisfy your required minimum distributions.
And this is huge.
Yeah.
When we reach a certain age, the IRS makes us take money each year from our qualified accounts, our IRAs, our 401ks, if we still have a 401k account. And when we do that, we have to report that as earned income. The government has allowed us to defer those taxes by contributing to our IRAs, and we benefited from those in the years past. And eventually, the government would like a little bit of that tax revenue. So they have what's called a required minimum distribution when you reach a certain age. Well, by using a qualified charitable distribution, you can use your QCD to fulfill your RMD. So when we give to charity, there's three ways we can do it. We can write a check. Many of us have done that and left it in the offering plate and give directly that way. You can take your RMD, your required minimum distribution, receive that, and then write that check to your charity. But when you do that, you have to record that in as income on your
Hmm.
taxes. Now, what the QCD does is it allows you to avoid recording that as earned income. You give the gift directly to the charity. The check is made directly to the charity. It can come to you, and you could write a personal note and then include that along with the check so you can express your appreciation of that organization and then send it off. The beauty is that QCD does not count as earned income, but satisfies the distribution that the IRS requires.
That is such a big deal. I mean, this is just a win-win all the way around. It's such a worthy conversation to have. So, Chris, if somebody would like to talk to you about maybe making this happen this year, what's the best way to reach you?
The best way to reach us is here at the office. Our number is 509-467-5117. 509-467-5117. Our website at Integrated Financial Services is myifsteam.com. myifsteam.com. And we love helping make year end, well, a joyous time.
Absolutely. You can tell. All right, Chris, thank you.
Thank you, Erin.